Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Informative Chika here. And yes, another video, another topic po ang ating pag-uusapan sa video ito. So, ang ating topic ay isa na naman pong luxury items, which is isa po siyang parang upuan na rabbit. Ang pangalan niya ay Kwebu. So, okay. Tignan natin yung ating topic today. So, this is a Kwebu rabbit chair na nagkakahalaga ng 250 euro. So, iba't ibang prices po sila. Pero nag-i-start po ang kanilang prices about 250 and up. So, this is very beautiful and pwede mo ding ilagay sa gilid as a design sa ating mga bahay. So, napakagandang chair. So, let's talk about Kwebu. Kwebu was born and launched in 2016 in Milan by Stefano Giovannoni. Kwebu is an Italian design brand that empowers self-expression with creativity. Diba ang ganda? Its narrative objects are a result of a design culture that combines thought, vision, and emotion with the purpose of bringing individuals into the world in which they feel free to connect with their most creative side. Simultaneously, the ideas and products created want to relate to people's stories, populating their lives while giving new meanings to their everyday spaces. With the twist of pop, wonder, and culture, Kwebu's creations are consciously thought to enhance the style of each individual, bringing originality to the environment. Arising a sense of surprise, still maintaining a rigorous attention to details and final high quality. So ito ang gawa ni Stefano Giovannoni. Si Stefano Giovannoni was born 1954, is an Italian architect and designer. He was one of the founders of the Bolidist movement. Giovanni lives and works in Milan. So, Giovanni was born in 1954. Ang kanyang school, alma mater, University of Florence. So, from Florence po siya. Occupation, designer, architect. So, pag Milano talaga or Italy talaga, dito talaga mga designer po sila, painter po sila, architect po sila. Talagang pagpunta mo dito talaga sa Italy ay talagang mamamangha talaga. Dahil kilala po ang mga Italiano sa designing, sa fashion, and architect. So, let's continue. Ang kanyang works ay Bombo Awards. Ang kanyang awards ay Premio Lereci Pia Golfo dei Piuti. Ang kanyang website ay stefanogiovannoni.com. So, ito lamang po ang other information about Kwebu. So, kung nagagandahan po kayo sa item na ito, pwede po kayong mag-directang mag-order sa kanilang online store. So, thank you for watching, guys. Kita-kita po muli tayo sa aking mga susunod pang informative videos. So, Informative Chika here. Ingat po lagi tayo and have a nice day. Goodbye.